based out from Tom's Tunes. We just wrapped up this 2002 JC Tritoon Restoration. Let's go take a peek at what we've done. We're inside this boat, but before we break everything down on what we've done, let's look at what it looked like when it first came into us. We've got a 2002 JC. This is a Tritoon. This is a pretty early generation Tritoon. Cool boat. You walk around this way, you can see it's got that textured carpet. This is a premium lush boat for 2002. It had all the bells and whistles. You come around, you see these panels. This is all getting replaced. It's kind of a JC standard. The white railings. We're going to go with a black railing kit on this. We're going to really rework the footprint of this boat because right now we have a stern entry, but we want to leave a little bit of space. We're going to have a tow bar on the back. We're getting rid of this 50 horsepower 4-stroke, and it's getting this brand new 115 4-stroke. We're really going to start to peak the performance of this boat. Like I said, we'll change up how this is. There'll be a sun deck, all new vinyl floor, new plywood. It's a 20-year-old boat. We'll walk you through the seats and what we're replacing on the inside too. This is getting the luxury furniture in the gray with charcoal from pontoonstuff.com. On the inside, we've got some cushions fallen off on the toe over here. Lots of vinyl tape, just getting it by the last couple years. It's got the old double door. It's a JC thing. Coming in, the carpet's actually pretty clean for the most part. There's a little bit of moss and mildew growing in the corners. It's been a great boat for them, so we're gonna make it a great boat for them for the next 20 years. We're into day 2 of this tear down and refurb. Marty says, "Thank you, JC, for the way you design your boats." Typical tongue and groove, treated marine grade plywood, no glue on the carpet, just staples. This boat received the new luxury seating from pontoonstuff.com. This is the gray with the diamond charcoal inlay. Super sharp, dressed up look. This makes this boat look like a brand new boat. Tons of storage underneath. On each side, between the bench seats, a 38 bench and a 36 corner, a wide radius corner. And then tons of storage also underneath the lean back seat. We have one of these on each side too. That's a great seat if you're going to put stuff in, towels, snacks that you want to get in and out of easy, because if I'm sitting here, I can still open this lean back and get at it rather than having to stand up every single time to get into a bench seat. Great add-on for any boat. We mirrored this same side setup on the port and starboard, so same seating arrangement there. And then we flow right back into the console. So this is the large console from pontoonstuff.com. This has our reclining luxury helm chair, same diamond inlay, really sharp look, comfortable seat. And on that sliding pedestal, I can spin, I can adjust, I can lean back. Really comfortable for the captain. We have the carbon fiber steering wheel on this. We also have the glove box. We have a gauge package, stereo. We're able to reuse the customer's control box, save them a few $100s, and use new cables for the new engine, key switch, and safety lanyard too. We did a co-captain's chair, so on the port side we have another reclining helm chair. Again, that diamond inlay is a sharp look. And then a little back bench area, more storage with an armrest on the right-hand side. Inside the back, we have this sun deck. So this is a custom upholstered sun deck that we have made locally. And this lifts up. The gas hinge will keep that open, but that gives us access to our fuel cell. We have a water fuel separator filter system in there. It's a 25-gallon tank. Again, something we were able to reuse off of the old boat and just freshen up. And then we have our battery in this compartment, which gives us a ton of extra storage too. So great place to store stuff in addition to the battery. This boat has a stern entry door, so coming out to the back, plenty of room for swimming. We have the heavy-duty stainless steel ladder. This is a 4-rung ladder that extends well below the bottom of the pontoon, easy to get in and out, and a brand new Mercury 115 4-stroke. It's gonna push this boat. It used to have a 50 horsepower motor on it, and now it's got the 115. We did a 10-foot long heavy-duty bimini top, all aluminum, big, heavy structure. This boat is ready for the water. Unfortunately, it's got to get put away for the spring until the spring, but it's going to be all worth the wait when the ice melts and we're back on the water in Michigan in the spring.